The world is limitless when you have conquered excellence. Mahindra's world-class products are a result of our manufacturing excellence, innovation and sustainability, thus making us the #1 tractor manufacturing company by volumes globally. The 80 acres vast tractor manufacturing facility at Zahirabad, the largest tractor plant in Asia. With its installed capacity of 100,000 tractors, this plant enables us to meet international standards and export to 39 countries. The world-class facility, with its technologically advanced processes, exemplifies our exceptional combination of technology, manpower, and innovation. The plant has been designed as a fully integrated facility for multiple platforms. It has a multi-model assembly, where a single assembly line caters to 150 different domestic and export models. Innovation is ingrained in the Mahindra manufacturing processes. The computerized techniques used for the assembly line for testing ensure a touchless transfer of engines. The automated and rail-guided vehicles with power and free conveyors and the multi-docking system ensures the lowest turnaround time for the trucks. All of this cumulatively encapsulates our adherence to zero-defect manufacturing process, which ensures no fault forwarding. The manufacturing excellence is further achieved by state-of-the-art processes like the 7-axis robotic painting facility, which enhances human safety and reduces paint and power consumption, and the robotic cleaning machines, which adds quality and flexibility to part cleaning operations. But advanced technology and innovation aren't the only factors which contribute to manufacturing excellence. Our people have a significant role to play in what we are and we aspire to be. At Mahindra, we impart special dexterity, technical and behavioral training to our cell members. Our state-of-the-art Mahindra Excellence Center is designed for product and operational training. The workstations are ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue and ensure comfortable working conditions. But even in our quest for excellence, Mahindra understands our responsibility towards the environment. We are committed to reduce carbon footprint and conform to the zero discharge norms. Not just 100% utilization of effluent treated plant water, but we also employ methods like rainwater harvesting and horticultural plantation to make it a green manufacturing facility. Mahindra cultivates dreams, replenishes them with innovation, and nurtures with inspiration, thus making the world rise with us.